This is going to be a good one, my friends. This is the 2022 Forest River WIldwood 36FL. FL stands for Front Living, part of the Heritage Glen Elite Series, a luxury fifth wheel that has just about everything. This sleeps up to 6, has 4, count them 4 slide outs, a 20-foot power awning, including a full and half bath, storage ottoman, I'll show you about that, breakfast bar, fireplace, outdoor bar and entertainment, plus huge pass-through storage, and get this, herringbone style flooring. Today I'm going to give you a walk around tour both inside and out, but first a big thanks and shout out to my friends here at Click It RV in Spokane, Washington for allowing me to share this with you. You can find all their contact information, their services, as well as their inventory, new and used, by clicking the link below or by going to clickitrv.com. Here's a breakdown of the WIldwood 36FL by the numbers. Hitch weight, 2,100 pounds. Dry weight, approximately 12,600. Cargo, 2,000, almost 900. Gross weight, 15.5. As far as water capacity, fresh water, 57 gallons. Black water, 70. Gray water, 104. And your water heater, 10 gallons. One more set of numbers for you. This unit is 43 feet 9 inches long. It's 8 feet wide. We'll go inside and show you how they've utilized the space. There is nothing wasted inside. Plenty of room to enjoy your adventure. Let's go ahead and talk about the storage on the outside and the pass-through. So you've got the slam latch opening doors here. They stay open on top. There's magnets up there to hold them. And look at the giant storage all the way through. Access on both sides. You have the same opportunity right there on the front, but I'll show you on the other side. This one is also amazing. I might say that word too many times. Look at this outdoor bar entertainment. We've got a refrigerator. Now check this out. This is also, there's an option on the other side. You can pull out this sink. Not just the sink, but check it out. You've got a grill here. Check it out. Isn't that awesome? So outdoor grilling and cooking. And that's not all. The entertainment and features don't stop. A television that can swing out. So when you're under the awning or you're cooking, you've got some television you can check out and enjoy. Bonus. Naturally, you have a ladder to have access to the top, and another spot here for storage, just like before, and slam latch. Up top, you've got a spot for a backup camera as well. Coming around to the opposite side, this is interesting. So I showed you on this side where the refrigerator and the slide out for the sink. There's also another slide out here to do some more cooking, some storage, what have you. And this is where they keep the winterized kit, fresh water, city water connect, black tank flush, and so on. And there's the other side of the pass-through storage. I always like it when you can see the other side. I don't know, maybe it's just the extra light, which I like. Here's a better look at the 3 slide outs on the opposite side, giving you much more room. This right here is your master bedroom. This is the kitchen section, and that is the front living area, which has lots of seating, TV, and fireplace. So you've got matching slide outs in the front living area with this huge windshield in the front for natural light coming in. I'll show you that with the television and the fireplace once we get inside. You will enter your WIldwood Heritage Glen Elite Series through this strut assist steps into a 32-inch wide main entry door with your grab handle, which easily extends this direction or that direction. Locks into place. And this, as usual, as you might expect, folds up simply and easily into the doorway. So when you're ready to ride, you're good there. See the handle. Bring it back down. All right, let's begin the tour. What's really impressive to me is all the different spaces, beginning with the front living area, going upstairs. Now this has 2 tri-fold sofas. Now I've extended one on purpose to show you what it would look like as a bed. Remember, this sleeps up to 6 people. So you can have a couple there, and then you'll see in the back room. So let's say you're inside your 2022 Forest River Wildwood luxury fifth wheel. You got a nice view out the front, but hey, you want to watch TV? You've got this great seating area, of course, theater seating. I want to watch some TV. How about a 50-inch TV that comes out from below? Yes, sir. And while that's going up, you also have a fireplace for a heater. And now, people can enjoy the game, the movies, whatever you want. I'm loving these luxury fifth wheels, don't you? So in addition to the sofas that turn into beds, you have theater seating, which is fantastic for watching your TV when it's extended. And all you do is sit here, pull your handle there, legs pop out, lean back a little bit, watch TV, hang out, talk to your friends and family. Perfect spot. Let's say you were to use the sofa as a sofa and not a bed. This ottoman, oh yeah, storage. Take the lid off and you can store underneath it. So they're making really good use of all the space and the accessories inside. And this is the herringbone style flooring I was telling you about at the beginning, so it's throughout the entire fifth wheel. Front living area as well as the kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, check it out, all the different storage you have above, ceiling fan, solid surface countertop. When you're not using the sink, you can use this for surface. Just to give you a look at some of the storage below. Here you have a residential gas cooktop with built-in oven and LED lit knobs when it's all turned on. Your microwave up top, and to the right is your walk-in pantry. Now that's real spaciousness, isn't it? That's not just a small, narrow, this one is deep, plenty of room for your canned goods, dry goods, and so on. This is a 20 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. And to the left, one of two bathrooms. Actually a half bath here, whereas the full bath is in the back for the shower. The Forest River Wildwood 36FL also features a breakfast bar right here with deluxe swivel bar stools. So, you know, you're probably gonna have your breakfast and lunch here inside. So you have a couple of seats there. You'll probably do your other eating, maybe hopefully outside. So you really don't need a lot of seating on the inside, but perfect for those morning meals and maybe just for chatting. Let's head down into your private bedroom and full bath. You'll see here on the right-hand side a 72 by 80 king size bed available on an Elite extra wide bed slide. At the base of the bed, another flat screen television for your entertainment in the evening, along with your dresser, and also storage for items that you may want to hang. Plenty of room there. Of course, down below. Now inside the full bath. This is incredible. All inside the fifth wheel. Plenty of space. Little indent in the roof line inside the shower. Yeah, you're getting a luxury bath in here, aren't you? With another countertop with a sink, storage down below, porcelain toilet, foot flush, natural light, a second mirror, and then here you have the availability to use a stackable washer and dryer hookup, or if you just want to use it for storage. If you don't mind indulging me, I'll give you one last look throughout the entire unit as I start from the back and make my way to the front. One more look at your full bathroom and shower, sink, storage, the walk-in closet and or washer and dryer hookup, the porcelain toilet with foot flush, barn door here, king size bed with a beautiful headboard, counter space on either side for both him and her, didn't mention this earlier, but their storage just behind this door here, which goes that way as well. Once again, the base of the bed with your television and dresser. Making our way back into the kitchen, or galley as they say. Here's your swivel chairs at the breakfast bar. And your front living area once again. The two sofas, theater seating, main entertainment area. Well, that's going to wrap up my quick tour inside and out of this 2022 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Elite Series 36 FL Luxury Fifth Wheel. The base price, $78,500. As optioned out seen here, $98,500. Again, a big thanks and shout out to my partners and friends at Click It RV here in Spokane, Washington, for letting me share this with you. You can see all their contact information, services, inventory, both new and used, by clicking the link below or by going to clickitrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.